Hi, Elizabeth. When we were talking on the phone yesterday, I just felt like I couldn't explain what was happening well enough without showing you. So I came to school today so that I could get these blue place value things to show you what I meant. So I know you know place value. I know you know ones is like this 1 cube. Tens, my paper's not big enough. Tens would be like this stick, this rod, where it's 10 of the single cubes. So that would be a 10. Hundreds, this is 10 of the rods or 100 single cubes. And then this one I had to make because I didn't have one. This is 1,000. It's 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 hundreds make 1,000. So that's how place value goes. 10 hundreds is 1,000. 10 tens makes 100. If you put 10 ones together, you get 10, and then just one single cube is ones. Okay, so that's place value. I know you get that. So yesterday we were talking about from page 37, how if we started with 4,002 and then we had to subtract 2,135. So I do not have enough thousands to make that, but we can try with the rest of them. Okay, so I have, just imagine we have 4 of these. I have 4,002. And if I have 2, but I need to subtract 3, we know that we can't do that. But there's nothing here to get it from. And there's nothing here. We have to go all the way to 1,000. So what's happening here, we have to break up this 1,000 into 10 hundreds, because like we counted this before, there's 10 of these together to make 1,000. Can I do this one-handed? I even had to cheat. Look at this. I didn't even have 10 of the 100, so I had to group some 10s together. Okay, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hundreds. So I just took my 1,000 and I broke it into 10 hundreds so I can move the 10 over here. Now, oh dear, I forgot to bring my marker. Sorry, hope I did not make you dizzy there. Okay, so pretending that I had 4 boxes, 4,000s here, I just took one away. I broke 1,000 into 10 hundreds. So what I did here is I broke from 4,000 to 3,000, and I moved 1,000. I broke it into hundreds, and I moved it into the hundreds places. So I have 10 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 2 of them there. 9, 10. These are 10 hundreds now because they're now in the hundreds place. I put 10, I broke 1,000 into 10 hundreds and I put them here. Now I need over here though, in order to break down here. So of these 10 hundreds, I'm going to take one of them. So now I'm not left with 900. I had 10 hundreds, now I'm left with 9 hundreds, and I'm bringing one of them over here to make 10 tens. I guess it worked well that I didn't have enough and I needed a bag of these. All right, one-handed, trying to be my own camera person. I'm sorry, this is kind of bumpy. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna double them up because you know 5 times 2 is 10, right? So I did 5 and now they're too high. not TOO high, TWO high. They're 2 levels high, so I've got 10 there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Well, good thing this isn't going on YouTube. All right, so I had 4,000 here, but I broke one of the thousands into hundreds, so I changed that to a 3 because now I have 3,000s. I wish I really did that, make this better. I just don't have those cubes. I don't know why. Then I had 10 hundreds here, but I took 1 away, so now I have 900, so I have a 9 here. I broke one of those into 10 rods, so now I have a 10 here. Now because I have 10 here, I can take 10 and move it over there, so I'm going to take this 10 goes down to a 9, and I carried 10 over here. 10 plus 2 makes that into 12. And then, but I have to break it up because it's no longer a 10 like this. It's now 10 like this. So 10 cubes plus 2 cubes is 12 cubes. Now I can go ahead and finish my math because I had to spend all that time breaking down, but now I have enough. Now I can do 12 minus 3. I can take 3 of those. Oh, sorry. I can take 3 of those away. Maybe I should put the 3 right here. I had 12. 12 minus 3 leaves 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 of them here. I had 9. I have to minus 5. That leaves me 4 for down here. I still have 9 hundreds. I got to take 1 away. So I have 9 hundreds. Take 1 away, which leaves 8 hundreds down here in the answer. And then I wish I had these cubes. I don't. We had 3 cubes left minus 2 cubes. 3 minus 2 is 1, leaving 1,000. So the answer then should be 1,849. And I believe that is what the book showed. So anyway, I wanted you to see how we went about breaking these into smaller pieces. That's what we were doing. That's what the picture was trying to show you with the arrows. And then on the top of page 38 with all the cross-offs and the numbers on the top, it was showing you how when we had zeros here and zeros here, we had to move here, break thousands into hundreds, break hundreds into tens, so that finally we could break a 10 into a 1. So I know yesterday when we talked, we put I told you where to put numbers because it was just talking over the phone, but I hope this video shows you a little better what's going on.